If you've got furniture in your building, repeated use or accidents can cause it to smell gross, unpleasant, and old. Keep watching this video to learn about State's solutions. Odors in furniture can be a huge problem for your building, as people will be disgusted by these bad smells, lowering the appeal of your business. Odors from smoke or food often absorb into furniture and can be hard to remove, especially with low-strength products. In this video, we'll show you what State Chemical would do to remove odors from furniture. Let's start with State's Fabric and Textile Refresher. State Fabric and Textile Refresher is a must-have for many businesses, such as offices, hotels or motels, assisted living, or any facility with frequently used furniture. It contains the strongest and most effective odor neutralizing technology available to ensure that bad odors are removed and your furniture smells its best. It handles tough odors in furniture, set-in carpets, curtains, and it's safe to use on fabrics and textiles. Use a strong solution like State Fabric and Textile Refresher to guarantee the best possible impression on those who visit or work in your facility. Kontrol and Kontrol SE. Next, let's talk about Kontrol, the most versatile odor eliminator that we've got. Kontrol is both an odor eliminator and air freshener, eliminating a variety of tough malodors like smoke, organic matter, urine, vomit, trash, and other foul things you don't want your carpet or furniture to smell like. It contains SE500, an odor neutralizing additive that penetrates deep into fabrics where trapped odors linger. Its versatility is something to pay attention to. It is generally safe on most surfaces and fabrics and can be applied in a spray bottle or a misting system like State's Fogmaster Jr., depending on if your malodors come from carpet or a trash compactor or something in between. Kontrol is concentrated, so it can get the job done with only a few sprays and leave areas smelling fresh. If your odor problem isn't that severe, you can even dilute Kontrol with water and save yourself some money. Kontrol comes in multiple fragrances and sizes to fit your specific needs. Why do I need air care? Because first impressions matter. State Chemical ensures your facility smells as good as it looks, with a range of fragrances and systems tailored to your needs. Plus, when you're on an agreement, we handle installation, maintenance, and provide detailed monthly reports, all at no extra cost. Now that you've learned how State Chemical would remove odors in furniture, click the link below to determine how to choose the right fragrance system for your space.